Boxing is a sport that involves a series of high-intensity exercises. It has been considered one of the most complex and dangerous sports. However, its health benefits include making the body more aesthetic and toned. In today's video, we'll talk about the benefits of boxing. For gaining muscle mass and toning your body, we'll also discuss what happens to your body if you practice boxing, especially daily or 3 times a week. So watch the video until the end. It will be very informative. Boxing and its variations are becoming increasingly accessible for physical health. While boxing was once a privilege for those aiming to compete in the ring, many athletes now incorporate boxing exercises into their routines. After all, boxing contributes to endurance training and efficiency development, especially of the cardiovascular system. Boxing is an intense aerobic activity that increases heart rate with every movement, improving cardiovascular health. This sport strengthens the heart and enhances circulatory system efficiency. However, concerning contact aspects, including strong punches, caution must be exercised during training. Athletes risk injury from uncontrolled blows during boxing punch drills, and repeated blows to the head can lead to serious central nervous system issues. Therefore, having a trainer is indispensable when practicing this sport. Training should take place in a suitable environment with protective equipment to achieve desired results. Boxing helps strengthen not only the muscular system, but also aids in agility and physical conditioning development. Now, I will show you the 7 health benefits of boxing after regular training. Number 1. Improved motor coordination. Boxing requires precise synchronization between arm, leg, and trunk movements, significantly enhancing motor coordination and aiding training in any sport. Constant practice of defensive and offensive techniques like dodges and counterpunches develops the ability to react quickly during combat. An example is boxing legend Mike Tyson, who mastered these skills throughout his professional career, becoming the youngest heavyweight world champion at 20 years old, the first to hold and defend multiple titles simultaneously, and renowned for his powerful punch. Number 2. Improved cardiovascular capacity. Boxing combines aerobic and anaerobic loads. Aerobic training increases stress on the cardiovascular system, boosting blood flow to muscles and lungs and releasing endorphins. This aerobic workout helps not only in weight loss, but also in reducing the risk of cardiovascular and chronic diseases. You can also combine jump rope, circuit training, and running for improved cardiovascular health, gradually increasing intensity if you are a beginner. Number 3. Calorie burning and weight loss. On average, an hour of boxing burns 300 to 500 calories per session, depending on training intensity and load type. Gradually increasing intensity and load is crucial for effective training. Cardio and strength combination workouts will shape and enhance weight loss and body aesthetics. Heavy physical exercises like boxing accelerate metabolism and weight loss. Number 4. Development of muscular endurance. Repetitive and explosive movements in boxing, such as jabs, crosses, and hooks, build muscular endurance. Working on a punching bag not only strengthens arm, shoulder, and back muscles, but also enhances endurance in these areas. As you get into the rhythm, transitioning to other physical training becomes easier. Your heart and lungs will pump blood and oxygen to muscles more efficiently, enabling more powerful and consistent punches throughout training. You will feel stronger and see your endurance increase over time. Number 5. Increased strength and power. Practicing boxing, especially with heavy bags and focusing on explosive strikes, strengthens major muscle groups. Repeated impact on a punching bag not only enhances core and upper body muscle strength, but also develops the power required for delivering forceful punches. Number 6. Stress reduction. Any aerobic exercise, including strength training, positively affects mood, sleep quality, and self-confidence. Beyond physical conditioning, boxing is excellent for stress relief. It's a great way to channel anger and negative emotions in class or on a punching bag. During exercise, your brain releases serotonin, the happiness neurotransmitter. It also produces endorphins, substances that reward the body during movement, particularly in aerobic activities like boxing. This gives you bursts of pleasure and calmness throughout your workout. So next time you feel tired or sad, head to a boxing session. Number 7. Enhanced discipline and focus. Regular boxing practice requires discipline to follow a rigorous training routine and focus to learn and perfect complex techniques. If you struggle with focus, boxing is an excellent sport to improve it. During training, precise and fluid movements demand attention and concentration to enhance skills necessary for the ring, thus boosting your focus. Number 8. Increased self-confidence. As you progress in boxing training and improve technical and physical skills, your self-confidence will grow. Mastering a new technique or improving physical endurance through regular training can boost self-esteem and feelings of competence, alongside visible changes in your increasingly aesthetically pleasing and muscular body. Number 9. Improved mental health. In addition to stress reduction, boxing can promote mental health by releasing endorphins during training, neurotransmitters responsible for feelings of well-being and happiness. This makes boxing one of the recommended sports for enhancing mental health and resolving internal conflicts. During boxing training, participants often face physical and mental challenges that require overcoming personal limitations and dealing with frustrations. This can strengthen emotional resilience and aid in resolving internal conflicts. Have you ever tried boxing? Let us know in the comments. We recommend checking out another one of our videos.